My name is Caroline Hooper, Certified Laser Specialist Trainer, and I'm also Clinical Director of a chain of clinics in Dublin. If you're a doctor, nurse, beautician or somebody looking to get into the aesthetic industry, you should consider downloading your free training module on laser hair removal in the description below this video, which I've provided for you completely free. Welcome back to another tutorial, or if you're new, please subscribe.
What is microneedling?
Microneedling it's also known as collagen induction therapy. It's basically a skin stimulator. So what we're doing is we're targeting your fibroblasts. Your fibroblasts are found in your upper dermis of your skin, and the fibroblast's job is to produce collagen and elastin to the surface of the skin. Over time, that reduces in performance. So when we needle the skin, what we're really doing is we're awakening and instructing your fibroblasts to produce that collagen and elastin up to the surface. We're also creating thousands of microchannels in your skin to allow us to deliver important ingredients like vitamins and peptides into your fibroblasts to help that perform better in the production of collagen up to the surface, to help combat aging and to treat any damaged skin.
And how does the treatment differ to other places that provide microneedling?
I believe what differentiates us from most places offering microneedling is the fact that we are an aesthetic clinic and not a beauty salon. The rollers that we use, we found to be the best and safest when using them for microneedling. The Genesis needles can last longer, where comparison to most other needles, they can become blunt during treatment towards the end of the treatment, and if the needles become blunt during treatments, they can cause severe damage to the skin surface. The Genesis roller has 450 needles, where a lot of other rollers would only have 200 needles. Therefore, we can create more channels, making a more effective treatment. We found that the Genesis needles are the finest on the market also, so it means that the treatment is less painful, and there's also less downtime after the treatment, so there'll be a lot less redness in the skin post-treatment. Also, the products that we use in Havana for needling are alcohol, fragrance, pigment and paraben free. And what's really important, what you need to know before you commence any microneedling with whoever it is that you're choosing to do your treatment, is you must ensure that the needles or the rollers that are going to be used for treating your skin are brand new and out of a fresh sealed packet. That's very important for obvious reasons.
Okay, now the treatment is becoming more and more popular, with celebrities like Kimmy K and the girl next door Jennifer Aniston opting for the treatment. And we've also seen some big Irish names coming through our door, like Jenny Asande, who we most recently had in for microneedling. Now Jenny had very youthful, healthy, clear skin, and we also had Ruth Hetherington a few months ago, who suffered from bad breakouts and really bad acne scarring. So why is the treatment so desirable to such a wide variety of skin types?
What I was explaining earlier on is all we're really doing when we're needling the skin is we are promoting natural factors, natural growth factors in the skin, by awakening your fibroblasts to do the job that they naturally do. But as we age, that reduces in performance, so we need to really promote that collagen that our skin needs. So it really does fit all skin types, all skin concerns, whether your skin is visibly showing any aging or not. It can treat anything from acne scarring, post-surgery scarring, chickenpox scarring from when you were younger, open pores. It can treat skin tone, mild rosacea, surface pigment, lax skin, and for general skin rejuvenation. So it really is a great treatment for everybody.
How much does the treatment cost for one session and for course of sessions?
So one treatment in Havana will cost you €300. If you're going to undergo a course, we have a package for 3 would cost €750. It differs how many treatments you're going to need depending on the person and depending on your concerns. Usually if you're treating a concern in your skin, like if it's a scarring for instance, you're going to need a lot more treatments to bring new collagen up to the surface of the skin to diminish that scar. But if it's just for age management in general, once you've commenced your course of treatment, which may be 1, maybe 2, maybe 3 or maybe more, maintenance going forward just to keep on top would be 1 every 4 months.